Hello, and welcome to Adele's Lego. Lego. Oh, look. Hello. Thank you for joining me. We are still building Assembly Square. This bad boy behind me. Yes, it's a big build. It is. And it's only £180 at the moment at the Lego store, so go and check it out. Now there's a little vote that I need you to do in the comment section down below. Leave me a comment saying if you want me to build the Harley Davidson, VW Beetle or a Lego Friends equivalent in size on a live show here on Adele's Lego. Yes, I'm going to go live building. Should be very interesting. So make sure you like and subscribe to always get notifications of when I'm going live. But I'm going to bring you down because this is the fourth and final video of building this part of Assembly Square. So come on down. Downtown, where all the people go. Downtown, where all the Lego is true. Right, so we're on this page over here. So one of them. We're on to the fiddly section now, where there's not a lot of bricks left, so everything's really tiny and fiddly. And we seem to have moved on to the florist for building. We do. So I'm presuming we've now finished the coffee shop and we're starting the next level of the florist. Okay, we're putting these in. Over the windows they go. I've just knocked my sunflower off. Right, we'll leave you there a minute. Then I can't knock you off again, can I? I think I've missed a part. I have. Take you off a minute. And you off. It's a good job I've noticed this. Because I had missed a part. That's a very good job I'd noticed. These should be on. How did I notice that? Normally I don't notice anything like that. How did I? It's not a case of how did I miss that. It's a case of how did I notice? It is. What it's like for me and Lego. We have a love-hate relationship. I love it when it's going right. I hate it when it's not. Okay. That is that page done. Next page. And 2 of these. 2 of them. 3 threes. 2 flat dark grey. 1. Come on, I want another one. 2. 3 of those ones with the them. 1, 2, 3. And 2 of the normal ones. 2 of them. So put 2. I don't understand why I have to put 2 of these on. Okay. So we're going to start by putting the archways over here. Like so. Because then we can do these in the middle here. Like so. And we're going again here with the weird bits on the end. So we have in theory started the next level of the florist. So we've started that bit there, you can't see at the moment. Oh, in fact, no we haven't, we're doing the tulips. We're doing the tulip part. That's awesome. doing the tulip part of the front. We are. Sorry, I shouldn't have looked, should I? You cheated. 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11. 1 more. 1 more. There we go. 12. So this one sits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it sits on there. And then these painstakingly have to go individually along here. 6 on one side, 6 on the other side. Okay, so that's that page. Next page. 2 of these. 2 of these. 1 light grey one. And 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so where do they all go? So the white ones, when you're not dropping them, go here and here, and then the 3's go in front of them. Oh no, worst thing you could do is drop them inside here. I can drop them on the floor, I could drop them on the table. It's just if they go inside, it's more fiddlier to get them back out. A lot more. And these go on top. One more. And then 2 dots to go here. Oh, that's not going to be fiddly at all. 1 and 2. Good if you don't actually see the faces that I pull, isn't it, really? God, boy do I pull some good faces. Right, 2 ratchets. 1, 2, 2 big leaves. 1, 2, 1 flat square. 1 of them. 1 of that. 2 of the big ones. 1 of the smaller ones. Basically most of the flat ones I need. There we go. Right then. We need 2 of them. 1, 2. That's it. Okay. So that goes there. They look too small. Here we go again. Here we go again, ladies and gentlemen. Without questioning it all. I think it's official. We've finished building with the flowers. Because again, we're putting the flats on. And you put the flats on when you're getting ready for the next level. Because then the next level sits on there, you see. I know. Those 4 things there. It's going to hold the next level up. Yay! Right. So these go on the end of the ratchets. And the ratchets slide in there. Yep. No, other way around. One. Two. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We're doing good. So 1, 2. We're doing all the little faffy bits now. We're gonna go. Where are we here? We're going here now. Yes, we are. Okay. One of them. One of them. One of them. And one of them. So let's make the light first. And that fits into there. And then, where does that fit? There. Okay, so we have a light at the back now, look. Little light there. And then these guys here, you can't see. These guys here make it look like we've got vines growing upwards. There you go. Vines growing up the back of the coffee house. Right, I'm going to budget because we're building something big. Okay. Okay. So I'm hoping I've got enough pieces left here. One of them. One of them. Two 4s either side. We're using all these, look. So I might as well bring them all over. Okay, so we've got that so far. It's very pretty, but I'm not entirely sure where it's going yet. Four, big one, and a 4, and then on the top. We are using up all the pieces, so I must be doing something right. Okay, that's what we've got so far there. Oh, it goes on the back there. Okay. Spot on. Right, let's put this in. I'm going to turn... What fell off then? Oh, the dog. He's alright, I'll pick him up in a minute. I'm going to turn it so you can look that way because I'm working on the back here. So that sits. That looks awesome. Look at that. That looks proper cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Now I'm going to work on this bit around the back here because it wants, for some reason, this bit to stick on here. Why do they always give you the really, really fiddly bits when half of it's done? Okay. This one's go the other way. That's easily rectified. Right. I don't know why that is, but ho hum. Right, I'm going to move it to one side now. I'm not moving it over to the table because I'm just going to make the tulips for the front of it. So we've got all them. 2, 2 of these and 2 of them. 1 and 2. That's it, that's a tulip. I just built a tulip out of Lego. 2 tulips. Building 2 tulips out of Lego. Two tulips out of Lego. Now, these bad boys, sit here. I'm checking that leaf. No, it's not in the right position, the leaf isn't. So we'll move that down. Put the tulip up a bit. The leaf's moving with it. Down, leaf. Down. I want to be able to see you. Alright, there we go. Tulips on. Tulips on, look. That is so cute. And that's it. That's all of bag 3. So I've still got quite a few little bits here. But that's fine. It's just adding to the collection that is over here. Spare bits. Yes. Alright, so that is all of the bottom layer done of Assembly Square. Now that looks pretty awesome to me. It does. I want a photo with it, but I don't want to hold it too much. Bring you up. See if I can do it. See if I can do it. Oh no, don't drop it. Imagine if I dropped it. And then it doesn't fit. There we go. So there we go. Bag 3 done of Assembly Square. So we've got bag 4 to start next. And it looks like we'll do the next level of here and here. That's where we're going next. Yes, I'm very excited. I am. Look how much taller it's got already. It's taller than the coffee house already. It is. So make sure you tune in. I will have a couple of days off now. I will. And then I will crack on with bag 4. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget, I love you all. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you all very soon. Goodbye for now.